Hello everyone. Again welcome to numerical stage of utilization. And today our numerical problem is a train with a locomotive having 4 motors has a total mass of 250 tons. Starting from rest, the train attains a speed of 40 km per hour at 20 second on a 1% of gradient. The gear ratio is 3. The gear efficiency 95%. The wheel diameter 95 centimeter. Train resistance average is 40 newton per ton. And rotational inertia is 10%. Find the torque developed by each of the motor and the minimum weight of the locomotive given, and the adhesive coefficient is 0.2, and the mass of train and locomotion W equal to 250 Newton given wheel of driving diameter of driving wheel D equal to 95 centimeter, 0.95 percentage gradient 1%, train resistance 40 Newton per ton, gear ratio 3, gear efficiency 0.95, efficiency equivalent escalation weight of train W equal to 100 plus 10 upon 100 into 250, that is 275 tons. Time taken in escalating the train to a speed of 40 km per hour t1 20 seconds. So escalation alpha equal to b1 upon t1, that is 40 upon 20 2 km per hour per second. Tractive effort, this is the formula for tractive effort, and put all the value we can get ft equal to 19.0943 tons, and we know total torque T equal to ft into d upon efficiency 2 gamma. So put all these value we can get torque equal to 31220 Newton meter, and torque developed by each motor, we have in the question 4 motors, so each motor is divide this torque by 4, that is 78.05 Newton meter, and coefficient of adhesive equal to 0.25, adhesive weight WL equal to ft upon u. So ft we have already find upon 0.25, so 76.4 tons, and assuming an adhesive weight of locomotive to be 75% of its total dead weight, then we have dead weight of locomotive WL plus 0.75. This is given. This is we have already assumed. We have assumed 75%, so 102 tons.